Hi guys, how are you? This is Shocks and this is Shocks Capital FX. Today we want to talk about refining order blocks, how you can look at order blocks and refine them until you get an entry. So we're going to start from the H4 and you are going to go all the way down to the M5 where you will be getting your entries. So this is a way of looking at your charts which can complement with a working strategy of yours which you are using now, or something which you can use on its own. So what we are going to do here is we are going to start from the H4 as a side. So this is the H4. So let's just take a look at this. So this is EJ, this is Euro JPY. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to analyze first. So we're going to analyze market structure. So from that we're going to see that we have a break of structure in this area, then we have price moving up as you can see, then we have a break of structure to the downside right here, which signifies a change of trend. Then we also have a break of structure here. So there was a liquidity that was taken at these equal lows, as you can see. So there are these equal lows right here. So this break took the liquidity that was residing at this equal lows, right? Then after that we can also see that we had this OB which price came and retested today. So this is what we are seeing on EJ. So first of all, we identify an order block. And where is our order block? Our order block is this one, right? So this is the order block which we are going to be using and to be considering in whatever we will be going to be doing until we get to the M5 and get a precise entry which is going to be very tight and will require a very tight stop loss. So we're still on that note. Let's talk about the sponsors of this video for today, Hango Trade. So last time we talked about Hango Trade and I showed you how this broker operates and how they accept crypto and do their payouts in crypto, right? So today let me just show you how you actually deposit in Hango Trade. So guys, so this is my account. This is Hango Trade, right? So what I want to show you here is how you actually deposit using this broker. So we have this. So this is my name. This is Judah. That's me. So just click deposit just here. Click deposit, then select a trading ID here. Just select your MT4 account. Then after selecting your MT4 account like that, select deposit currency. You just select what Bitcoin. So we're going to use Bitcoin. Select Bitcoin, then you click proceed. So after that, after you click proceed, they will give you this address. So you just copy this address like this. You go to your wallet. So this is my Coinbase wallet, right? So we want to send 100 Bitcoin. So we just send. Then you just put 100. Then 2, you put your address. You just paste here. So it depends with your wallet. Then you click continue. This is how you deposit. This is how you deposit. Then say send now. So it's done, right? So this transaction takes about 30 minutes. So basically this is how you deposit. Then let's just go to Hango Trade and see if our deposit is reflected yet. So guys, yeah, there you have it. Then you know. So from that, let's continue with our lecture on refining of order blocks today. So as I said, this is the H4 order block. So after identifying the H4 order block like this, you go to H1. So what you are basically doing is you are looking for order blocks inside the one you had marked on the higher time frame. So our higher time frame is the H4. So you are going to look for an order block inside the H4 OB, which means you are going to be choosing this one, right? After choosing this one, what are you going to do? You are going to refine it for the last time so that you can get your entry in so that you can get your entry. So if you have started our video on entries, you will know that after doing all that, we then wait for price to get into our OB. Then what else? Break structure, that's number one. So we wait for it to get into the OB, break structure. After breaking structure, we wait for price to retest our order block. So what we're just doing is we are we are doing what is called a stop hand. First of all, we need to see a stop hand, which is this one, stop hand. Then we need to see a break of structure, which is this one. Then after that, we need to see a retest of an order block, which is which is this one. So after all the conditions are met, you then sell, or you use a pending order, where you are going just to put your sell limit right here, and your stop loss is going above the OB, and you are going to sell this market like that. So this is what you are going to be doing, and this is what you are going to be practicing on. So guys, I want you to go and identify order blocks on H4, refine them up to until you get to M5, so that you understand what we are trying to get across to you here. So this is how you do it, and this is what you should be doing. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we are going to be talking about a very interesting topic. See you there. Trade what you see. I'm Shox, and I'm out.